railway station, which result in severe casualties and fire hazard. Overall, total 7 line agencies had reported and they conducted this rescue operation. Out of its civil defense, around 40 personnel were reported. Electricity, fire and emergency, police, home guards, NCC, KRCL, and 15 members of medicals were deployed. Total, there were 40 casualties, out of which 15 were trapped, and now they have been safely rescued to the nearby rescue center. Out of 40, 2 were severely injured, and now they have been shifted to South Goa District Hospital for the medical assistance. And 8 are minor injury. They were having minor injury, so they are being treated at the nearest relief camp. We also had a fire hazard, and fire tender along with the fire personnel, they participated and they successfully diffused the fire. Around 15-20 minutes total. So your good name, sir? My name is Ganesh Bhatt.
3.
सर 4:30 का एक बार बजा 4:30 एग्जैक्ट स्टार्ट हो 4:20 नहीं बजा क्या करने के लिए आता हूँ
important for Marmagaon district. The responsibility to manage south and north for the area of the civil defense. And the civil defense plays a major role during the war situation, the emergency situations. And here we are here for a special design program for the civil defense evacuations. And we have helped to fire forces and the emergency services evacuate the people and the injured patients, I can say, and the people. And the major role we play to evacuate to save the people's life. This was we call as civil defense crawl, Nagrik Suraksha. It's our kartavya and I can say it's our responsibility. Nagrik Suraksha is our responsibility of civil defense crawl. Thank you.
With such novels and all, in case of emergencies, we can exactly know how to work and how to deal with the disease, triaging and all, and checking on the patients and all. We can be more prepared in case such a situation comes.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.